What is a municipal wastewater treatment plant? Imagine a busy city where millions of people live, work, and play. Every day, they use water in their homes, businesses, and industries. All that used water doesn't just disappear. It flows into a network of pipes called sewers. These sewers carry the wastewater to a special facility called a municipal wastewater treatment plant. This plant is like a giant cleaning station that makes sure the water is safe before it goes back into the environment. The process begins when wastewater enters the plant through large underground pipes. First, it passes through screens and grit chambers to remove big debris like plastic, paper, and sand. This step prevents damage to the equipment and makes the next step smoother. After that, the water moves into large tanks called clarifiers. Here, heavier solids settle to the bottom, forming sludge, while lighter materials float to the top and are skimmed off. This is called primary treatment, and it reduces the amount of organic matter in the water. Next comes secondary treatment, which is where the real magic happens. Microorganisms, or tiny living creatures, are introduced to the water. These microbes eat up the remaining organic pollutants, turning them into harmless biomass and carbon dioxide. This biological process often uses aeration, which supplies oxygen to keep the microbes active. It's like giving them a breath of fresh air so they can do their job better. Sometimes, the plant performs tertiary treatment. This extra step removes nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus that can cause algae blooms if left in the water. It also disinfects the water using chemicals or ultraviolet light to kill any remaining germs. The goal is to make the water as clean as possible before releasing it back into rivers, lakes, or oceans. The plant also handles the sludge, which is the leftover solid waste. Sludge is treated further through processes like aerobic digestion, which reduces its organic content and kills pathogens. The treated sludge can then be safely disposed of or used as fertilizer in agriculture. Staff members at these plants are trained to monitor every part of the process. They make sure the plant follows strict rules to protect public health and the environment. Without these facilities, our water sources could become polluted, and public health could be at risk. Municipal wastewater treatment plants are a vital part of water and sewer services, helping keep our communities clean and safe.